Day 3 on our 7-day trip. We're still in Dubrovnik, but we've checked out of our accommodation. Now we have roughly 7.5 hours, so we'll use this time to go and see the town walls. The walls are right here, the entrance is right here. By the way, I've seen plenty of people step on this. If anybody knows what that is, just let me know in the comments. Okay, we've just bought our ticket. We got a ticket for 100 kuna. It's probably like 13 euros. We were there just one day ago, yesterday. There are just so many steps throughout the day. That would actually be possible to jump, to require some serious balls and also insurance. I don't know if it's visible on the camera, but I think we see something in the back that could be Italy, but I'm not sure. I mean, yep, there's the beach where I was roughly 2 days ago at night. As we're getting higher and higher, the view is better and better. The last stairs to the highest point is over there. We are slowly coming to an end. That's the start. We've basically made a full circle. So we visited the walls of Dubrovnik, and right now we're making our way first to the supermarket and then right away to the beach, to the third one, because it's so hot and we have still got plenty of time until the bus departure to Kotor in Montenegro. We're getting closer to the beach after quite a long time, because now we actually had to walk further than just to the supermarket. There's the beach in the back, it's already visible. Spent here maybe like 2.5 hours or 3 hours. Slowly becoming a time to go to the bus station in order to be there in time. So we're approaching the bus station. So yeah, this is also the port. There's also the port of Dubrovnik right over there. There's like the building, the bus station, autobusný kolodvor. Let's go there. Let's board the bus. Okay, so we're in the bus right now. We're heading to Kotor soon. Alright, we're moving, kind of like on time. Yep, So we've just had the passport control. It didn't take long, probably like 15 to 20 minutes. Or the actual checkpoint we've passed through was the Croatian one. Right now we have to pass the Montenegro one. So again, passport showing, and then I'll be able to sleep. Officially welcome to Montenegro. We are in Kotor. We've just arrived. The ride over here was super interesting because we're going super fast and some of the turns were super, you know, sharp. But I mean, we're here. So this restaurant, we will definitely want to go to this kind of restaurant, Barbecue Tangia, because from what I've seen on Google Maps, they make very nice steaks. So we just checked in our accommodation for 2 nights. The bedroom, maybe I should turn on the lights. And this is the living room with, look at this. I mean, right now it's probably not that visible, but as you can probably see, the camera does not record it as I see it, but that's the sea, and this is like the hills and stuff. And tomorrow's vlog, you will be able to see that because I'll definitely show it to you in the morning. Hopefully enjoy this day. Stay tuned for next days. This was day 3, and yep, see you soon. So take care and stay tuned for tomorrow. Bye.